Time is money. You've probably heard the old adage, but it's not just a clever turn of a phrase. In the world of business, time and money are nearly interchangeable. A lot of time can be spent making money, and with a lot of money, you can pay others for their time. But what do you do if you're low on both? First-time entrepreneurs might be brimming with passion and enthusiasm, but a lack of experience can make it harder to secure financing. Without the money to hire employees, they'll need to commit a lot of their own time. Thankfully, there's a solution for first-time entrepreneurs: starting a dropshipping business. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today, we'll be looking at the best websites to use for dropshipping. Yeah, you heard it right. So, let's start our video. Number 1. DSers, AliExpress dropshipping. When it comes to a variety of products, few dropshipping companies can compete with AliExpress. The online retail service, which launched in 2010, features more than 100 million products, meaning it's likely that no matter what business you're in, you'll find something to sell. If you plan on dropshipping with AliExpress, the best option to use in your Shopify store is the DSers app. Under its free plan, the DSers AliExpress dropshipping plugin allows you to explore AliExpress's enormous collection of products and add them to your store in just a few clicks. Under its advanced plan, which is still less costly than the alternatives, you get access to automation features that pull new orders from your store, ship products to your customers, and mark orders as fulfilled, all without you having to lift a finger. Number 2. Spocket. Spocket is an order fulfillment service with a wide range of wholesale merchants based mostly in the United States and Europe, but it also has merchants based in Canada, Asia, Australia, Brazil, and other countries. With the Spocket plugin, you can browse merchants' products and add them to your Shopify store in one click. Spocket also automates the entire order process, with products shipped to your customers at the point of purchase. One of the biggest highlights to Spocket is its branded invoice feature, which allows you to create a custom invoice for your brand that's shipped alongside your products. Branded packaging can go a long way in building brand awareness and acquiring repeat customers. Number 3. SaleWho. SaleWho is a research tool and supplier directory for dropshippers, wholesalers, and e-commerce stores. The SaleWho database includes over 8,000 wholesale distributors and dropship suppliers, with over 1.6 million wholesale products. With SaleWho, merchants gain access to the SaleWho Market Research Lab, which provides in-depth data and sales insights on each product available. This means that merchants can see how well products have done in their stores, and an online marketplace like eBay or Amazon before adding them to their own. SaleWho even lets you see how many other retailers are selling each product, meaning you can factor in its availability when building your brand. This is perfect for merchants looking to add their brand's own spin on a product they know is in high demand, or to take their chance at offering exclusivity of a product that's harder to find. Number 4. Wholesale2B. Wholesale2B offers over 1 million products based primarily in the United States and Canada, meaning if you're selling to customers in North America, Wholesale2B will be able to connect you with local suppliers to keep your shipping costs low. Wholesale2B's Shopify app pulls orders from your store, sends them to your selected dropshipper to be fulfilled, and even adds tracking information once the package is shipped, all automatically. It also has built-in integrations with Amazon and eBay. Number 5. Modellist. Modellist is an automated dropshipping app known for carrying big-name luxury brands like Dolce & Gabbana, D-Square, Calvin Klein, and a lot more. Selling products from companies your customers already love can give you a big boost to your own brand's reputation in their minds. For US-based merchants, Modellist offers a marketplace of US suppliers that can ship domestic orders in 6 to 8 days. Even if you're not based in the US, Modellist's group of wholesale suppliers ship to more than 80 countries worldwide. The app also has an API partnership with AliExpress, meaning that by using the Modellist Chrome extension, you'll get access to the millions of dropshippers on that marketplace. Modellist even curates collections of products made from sustainable materials from eco-friendly suppliers for merchants looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Plus, you can add your own branding to your products through the Modellist private label dropshipping program. Number 6. Doba. Doba is a dropshipping platform that offers suppliers based mostly in the United States and China. For merchants in either location, Doba offers an easy way to sell local products with fast shipping times. Doba's most unique feature is its automated pricing rules. Rather than price products manually, merchants can create rules to price their products at a fixed markup on the wholesale price. When suppliers change their prices, the automated price changes too. Number 7. Inventory Source. Inventory Source is a dropshipping platform and order management tool that facilitates relationships between dropshippers and retailers, allowing them to sync products and inventory, and automatically transfer fulfillment information. The app directly connects stores to suppliers without charging any additional fees for the products. allowing merchants to build a more personal relationship with their suppliers and offer products at a much lower cost. But its most unique feature is this. Since Inventory Source is primarily a stock management tool, it's the only option on this list that actually allows you to add your own dropshippers, though custom integrations do come with an added cost. And that's all for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section down below. I hope that you found this video interesting, and if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the following video with some more of the latest updates, and until then, stay tuned.